Hey, so today I'm installing this fridge. This fridge is a very easy DIY thing to do, but as long as you have the correct part, you can connect it directly. So if you are looking to install this kind of fridge, which is the double-sided, and also it has a water and ice dispenser, and you are looking to install this from start to finish where there is no water line ready, unfortunately this is not the video that you would want to watch. But if you would like just to enjoy how I'm doing this, because I already have the water line ready in place, so that is very easy to connect. There are some other scenarios where you don't have the water supply and you have to get it either from the sink or wherever is the nearest position to get the water. But most likely if you are installing this on the kitchen, you will probably just get it from the kitchen sink. That's where you connect the water line. This is the water line of the fridge and it connects all the way to here. Now my connection will go up here. Now I really don't want to cut this piece, although I could have cut it. I can literally cut this piece here and connect it, but you know what, there is already a good connector right over here. That is why I bought two sets of these, so that I can get access to one additional connector of this one, which is going to connect to the water line. This is the water line I was talking about. I already have this water line ready for me, and I don't even have to go downstairs and shut off the water. If I didn't have this connection, what I was going to do is, under the sink over here, this is where I was going to find a way to pass through a line all over underneath and pass through here and all the way over here. That's probably what I was going to do, but because this is ready, I don't have to drill anything. I don't have to do anything extra except connecting this line. Oh, and another additional tool you will need is a knife. I'm going to cut this for now. Okay. So you get one side of the tube and you see there is this blue connector out here. So you have to remove this blue connector and make sure you don't break it because it's plastic. All right. You take that out and there is a brass metal, you can see. Yeah, there's a brass metal right there. So you're going to snap this into that brass tube inside of this plastic connector. Like that. So this is how it goes. You snap in and then you push this in and you push this blue clip and it just snaps in like this. That's it. You don't have to be you don't need to do anything extra about this. So let me show you the connection at the back, how you connect this. So at the back, this is where I am going to connect this. You get this end that we connected to this hose and we're going to place it here. Now before you connect this, you need to put the plumber's tape. So I will get my plumber's tape and just put a little bit on the thread over here. Okay, I just noticed I should have started by putting this one first before plugging it in the hose, but anyways, I'll show you what's going to happen. All right, no problem. Okay, all right, so we put the plumber's tape. Now you can start threading this guy. Alright, I think I know what's going on. Alright, my threads are messed up. My threads are messed up. Okay. My threads are messed up on this one. I already messed up the threads. That's why. Okay. My threads are messed up on this thing. Alright, the threads are messed up on this, so I have to be very careful when I put it on the other side. Alright, we'll see what's... Alright, and because this is plastic, you really don't want to go too crazy on this. With your hand, you can just tighten this with your hand and you should be good to go, because you also have a plumber's tape, which is good enough. I'm here at the other end, so again, same thing. You put your plumber's tape around. So you put the plumber's tape around here, pretty much one circle is good enough. You don't need to put that a lot. My threads are messed up pretty much everywhere. So I might either go back. I just hope there is no leak, but I don't think there will be any leak. Okay, that's going straight up. I think that should be good. It's going straight up now. Okay. All right, so this is connected, and I need to put back the blue clip that I removed there. Put back this blue thing. There you go. Now, this one also is not positioned very well. I wish it was really inside. So, but anyways, this is fine. And I'm going to turn on the water, and just to make sure there is no leak here. Okay, this is the other end. I'm going to turn on the water just to make sure there is no leak around here. If there is a leak, then I have to redo this. There you go, the water is coming up. Folks, so I'm not going to use the entire 25 feet of this. I'm going to use 5 feet of this line and cut it. Yeah, probably somewhere, even 6 feet. 6 feet, I'm going to use. I'm going to use 6 feet of that, and use your knife, and you just cut it with your knife. 6 feet, I think this is enough to pull this and work around with it. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to cut it somewhere here. Okay. All right, so I cut this piece. The reason or the advantage of having this long portion of cable or this long portion of tube is that, you know, as you move this fridge, you can move it around and it's not going to disturb anything. And the advantage of this also, you can just pull it from the connector when I show you there. You pull it and you work with, you work around your magic and why not. All right, so once you cut into your desired length, you can now connect it to the water line that goes to the fridge. Pull this blue C-clamp and connect your line to the this brass tube there. This is the brass tube that I'm talking about. So what you do, you take this connector, you take this tube. So you take the tube and then you push it inside. You see that? Inside this brass tube like this, and you push this one. You push it like this, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And you take this C-clamp the blue C clamp and press it in, and that's it. Your water line is connected. Alright folks, and this is how you install the fridge to the water line or ice maker line or whatever you call it. It's a very easy DIY. It's something you just have to have instant and connect it, and there you go. If you have any questions, leave in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, because there is more DIY of home improvement and stuff coming along the way. You can see on this kitchen I have to install the backsplash. So that video is coming. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.